This coverage of SHOT Show 2024 is brought to you by Through Nights.
Alright, so to wrap it off, we have the Claymore OTF. So many of you know we have our Claymore auto out the side that flips open. We wanted to create an OTF that was similar in style and design. So a little Easter egg here. It's, FTE, face towards enemy, like on a real Claymore. We'll have this in black and green, straight edge or scallop serrations like that. We also have a mini variant. So I believe both of these will be D2. So pretty strong, tough steel. Two different shootouts. So this one will have the kind of Ranger green handles, glass breaker, drop point. This one's kind of a mint colored, more EDC friendly without the glass breaker. It just has a lanyard loop. And this one will have to be in kind of more of a Tanto blade. We did an all blacked out version of the Redoubt. This will be D2 as well. I think this is like the perfect knife to just have as a beater. Like, it is one that you can definitely abuse.
Yeah, we're gonna have a
These two are super rad. So we have the full-size auto Adamas. We have the manual folding Adamas. The manual folding mini. We were missing the auto mini Adamas, which is what we have here at SHOT Show. So this one is in the carbon fiber scales, gold liners. Here you have the safety. So this one will be in Magna Cut as well. And this one just has the green G10 handles and with crew wear. Kind of an FDE coated blade. But that's pretty much the whole rundown.
I want to give a big shout out to Through Night who made this trip possible. So I've been carrying only Through Night flashlights for SHOT Show 2024. If you know Through Night, they've got budget-friendly lights. They've got lights from the most compact to full-size throwers. A wide variety of options available. Check out the links down in the description below for more from Through Night to make a solid light.